Först has been the premium choice for arborists and tree care professionals since 2013, delivering industry-leading chipping performance backed by exceptional customer service. Born from a passion for innovation and a deep understanding of arboriculture, Först was created to build a superior, more durable machine tailored to the needs of professionals. It quickly became the go-to brand for arborists across the UK. With headquarters and manufacturing facilities in the UK in Hampshire, alongside offices in mainland Europe, the USA, and a global network of dealers, Först serves tree care specialists worldwide. Dedicated to engineering the finest compact wood chippers and providing unparalleled customer support, Först continues to push boundaries, setting new industry standards with cutting-edge innovation.